how to paraphrase any text in seconds using QuillBot. If you would like to paraphrase any text in seconds using QuillBot, you simply have to open up your browser and go to QuillBot.com. You can still paraphrase even if you have a free version. So you can see I don't have premium, but I can simply go to Paraphraser tool that you can see here. In this section, I can choose the standard option and I can simply paste a certain text that I have copied. Now I can choose the fluency, I can change the writing style and whatever else it is, and then just hit the paraphrase option. It will actually just change the way this article is written or this paragraph is written, and you can see it will change it to something else. Now you can paraphrase this to any text, and you can also try to change some of the stuff. So if this second line was written at the latter part of this paragraph, you can choose to write this at the initial part of the paragraph by not letting the other person know that you have paraphrased this. So this is simply a way to go ahead and then paraphrase the tool on any text using QuillBot. I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.